So one thing that keeps people stuck in low frequency is revisiting the mistakes of the past. Now, it's not bad to think about your mistakes. If you have made mistakes and you feel regretful, we call it redemption. So you can redeem yourself by praying to God, okay, I made this mistake, but I realize my mistake now, and hopefully going forward, I will try not to repeat it. I will try my level best to not repeat it, and then also try. Also, not just say it, but really mean what you say. The right way of getting out of the low vibration or low frequency, look for the lesson. Let's say you made XYZ mistake. Let's say you fought with someone, you had a bad argument. Now you need to think, what did I learn from it? So the moment you put down on paper, okay, this is what I learned from this mistake of mine, also source, I apologize for what I did, and also help me that next time I do not do it. That way you release your karma. You have to accept the situation as it happened. If you continue to dwell over it and you continue to torture yourself emotionally about it over and over again, then something else will happen and you won't be able to get out of it. It will be a cycle. It will be a loop that you would be stuck in. And we don't want to get stuck in loops and patterns that don't serve us anymore. Okay? So we can make fresh new mistakes. Okay? Things that we don't know about. Of course, if you do something and later on you realize, okay, this is a mistake, that means it's a fresh new mistake. But repeating the same mistakes over and over again also binds us with that low frequency energy, and we must avoid it at any cost. And you know what happens magically when we do this? We can also forgive other people. Like, let's say you are upset with someone for how they've been behaving with you repeatedly. 5 times, 6 times, 10 times you have been upset with them. And finally you realize that, okay, this is the pain I have towards this person or anger I have towards this person. But I have learned something. I have learned to not be dependent, and I've learned to believe my own intuition. I've learned to let go and surrender to source and enjoy myself, not carry it on my head all the time, right? So this way you have to learn to accept the other person, not treat them or see them as bad, and whatever situation they have played out unknowingly, knowingly for you, accept it the way it has happened, move on from it, and you can do it instantly. First, you're going to do it, it will take time, a day, 2, 3 days, maybe initially it might take 6 months also, I don't know, like it's different for different people. But there will be a time when you will be able to move on really quick and really fast, and you can then live your life the way you are, be original, just be yourself. So, see you in the next one.